Learners, how do you do at home? I hope you are keeping well and staying safe. You know that today is a crucial moment for COVID-19 all over the world, not only in our country. And for this reason, we are taking online video class and we are enjoying our class daily. And for this purpose, I am also here to take this class. In today's class, I am going to take English second paper for class 8. Though I am taking this topic for class 7, it is also essential for class 9, class 10. Okay, dear learners. So our today's topic is suffix and prefix. First of all, I am going to give a definition of suffix and prefix. Dear learners, look at the blackboard. I have written a definition of suffix. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make another word. That means suffix always sits after the word to make new words. Isn't it? Example: acid plus men is equal to acid. Okay, dear learners. And our second topic is prefix. Prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the front of a word to make another word. Isn't it, dear learners? Prefix is also a letter or a group of letters added to the front of a word to make new word. Okay, dear learners. There is an example. This is a prefix and it is added before the word honest. And the new word is dishonest. Isn't it? This is a prefix and it is added before the word honest, and our new word is dishonest. Dear learners, before studying suffix and prefix, we at first have to know about the part of speech very well, because we should know the functions of part of speech and the formation of part of speech. Without knowing part of speech or formation and position of part of speech, we cannot be able to answer this item. Okay, dear learners. So, first of all, we should have knowledge the position of part of speech. There are so many part of speech, such as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There are 8 kinds of part of speech, and among them, 4 kinds of part of speech, such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb. These 4 types of part of speech should be changed into different forms of words. Okay, dear learners, suppose develop is a verb, and we add meant, it's a prefix, suffix, it's a suffix, and develop is a verb and meant is a suffix, and our new word is development. This is noun. This is noun and develop is verb. So dear learners, we should bear in mind that only suffix and prefix will be possible by four types of particles such as noun, adjective, verb and adverb. These four types of particle speech are called root words. They are root words. Root words. And other four types of particle speech such as pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and last of all interjection. Pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These four part of speech are called subsidiary words. Subsidiary word because they do not make new words. Okay. From pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection we cannot find any new words. But noun, adjective, verb and verb, these four part of speech make new words. Okay dear learner. So they are called root words and pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection, they are called subsidiary words. Isn't it, learners? Now at first I will show you some position of noun. Okay, dear learners. Noun. First of all, subject. Dear learners, look at the blackboard. I have written the position of noun. There are 5 positions of noun. First of all, subject, object, object of verb, third, complement, fourth, object of preposition, and last of all, apposition. These 5 types of position of noun. Dear learners, today I cannot explain this position because I have to discuss suffix and prefix mostly. Okay, so only I have described the function, but there is not enough time to discuss the inner characteristics. Okay, dear learners. And then adjective. adjective. Adjective is adjective sits in a sentence in two ways, such as one, attribute. Two, predicative use. Dear learners, now I am going to discuss these two items because it is not known to the students of class 8 like it. So I should discuss this item, attributive use. Look at the blackboard. Now I am writing an example using attributive use of adjective. First of all, dear learners, I saw a lame man. Okay, dear learners, I saw a lame man. Here, lame and man. Man is a noun, and before noun, an adjective can sit. Okay, dear learners, it is adjective. When adjective sits or adds before noun is called attributive use, because this adjective qualifies the man. When an adjective qualifies a noun from the left to the right, then it is called attributive use of adjective. And second example is he is punctual. Dear learner, he is punctual. Punctual is an adjective because it sits before after the verb. When adjective sits before after the verb and it qualifies from the left to the from the right to the left, noun or pronoun, then it is called predicative use, because this adjective indicates the subject from the right side to the left side. But attributive use of adjective indicates noun or modifies noun or pronoun from the left side to the right side. Okay, dear learners, this is the two kinds of use of adjective. Verb generally sits after the subject. Okay, dear learners, and there are different kinds of verbs in English grammar. But today we should not, we will not discuss all the verbs at a time because our time is distributed into suffix and prefix. So we should not discuss the characteristics of verbs and classification of verbs. Now today I am going to talk about the position of verb. It sits after the subject. Suppose they plow the land. Dear learners, they plow the land. Here, this subject plow, this is verb, and the land is object. Okay, dear learners, this subject, and after the subject, cloud is a verb, sits after the subject. So cloud is a verb. So generally, verb sits after the subject in assertive sentence. Okay, dear learners. And now our next part of the speech is adverb. Adverb. There are so many items or formation of adverb, but generally in suffix and prefix, the adverb can be known saying at the end of the adjective ly. Okay, adjective plus ly is equal to adverb. Suppose he walks slowly. He walks slowly, and here slowly is the adverb because slow is adjective. Slow is adjective, and at the end of adjective, ly is added. Ly is a suffix, and it is added after the adjective. When ly is added after the adjective, then it is called adverb. And in suffix and prefix, we see this formation of adverb. Nevertheless, there are so many signs of adverb in English grammar. So, where does adverb sit? Adverb can sit many places in a sentence. Suppose it can sit at the end of the verb. It can sit before the sentence. It can sit between finite and auxiliary verb, and it will also sit before an adjective. Okay, there are so many places where an adjective, an adverb can sit. Okay, dear learners. Now I will go to talk about preposition. Preposition is a very little word, and in my previous class I taught you about so many prepositions. Okay, so preposition is a very little word, and it sits before noun or noun equivalent, such as the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Here is the preposition on, and on sits before the word table, and table is a noun, and so preposition on sits before this noun. And you should bear in mind that preposition always sits before noun or noun equivalent word. Okay, dear learner, and it joins the noun with other part of speech in the sentence. Such as on the table, it joins the table with the book. Okay, so preposition is very little word, but it is very difficult area in English grammar. And in my previous class, I taught you about this item. Conjunction, our next part of it. Conjunction does the activity of joining two words, two phrases, two clauses, and also two sentences. Okay, dear learners, conjunction does this activity because it joins so many words, so many phrases, so many clauses in a sentence. Suppose he is a student and his brother is a doctor. Dear learners, here are two clauses or two parts of the sentence. Such as he is a student. This is a part, and his brother is a doctor. This is another part, and these two parts are joined with and. So and is a conjunction which joins two clauses, two parts of the sentences. Okay, there is only one sentence, but here are two parts. He is a student and his brother is a doctor. So and here is a conjunction. And our these all are the functions of part of speech in brief, and interjection is also a part of speech, but we need not see the characteristics of interjection. It is not useful in this area. So I am going to suffix and prefix, our main topic. But before that topic, I have to discuss about the functions and position of part of speech. Okay. Suffix. Er. Er is a suffix. Er is a suffix, and now we will make new sentence using suffix er. Okay, dear learners, suppose build plus er. Builder. Dear learners, let's have a look on the blackboard. Here is suffix, and we have used here at the end of the verb build, and the new word is builder. Okay, dear learners, and builder is a noun, and build here is a verb. The verb has been changed into noun, adding at the end of the verb here. Okay, dear learners. Next one, mend. Mend is a suffix. Mend is a suffix, and at the end of the verb develop, mend, and new word is development. Okay, development is a new word, adding mend at the end of the verb develop. So mend is a suffix and helps the verb to make a new word, and this word is a noun. Development is a noun, but develop is a verb. And after the verb we have added mend, and the new word is development is a noun. Next, or, such as act, is a verb, and after the verb we have added word at the end of the verb, and our new word is act. So actor is a new word adding at the end of the verb act word. So word is a suffix. Our next suffix is R. R is also a suffix. And now I will show you the new word using R. Drive plus R is equal to drive. Dear learners, I will go on the blackboard. Drive is the verb, and at the end of the verb we have added R, and the new word is drive. Okay, dear learners. So R is a suffix. I here. Supply. Dear learners, look at the blackboard. Supply is a verb, and we have added I here at the end of the verb supply, and the new word is formed supplier. And if you ask me the question, where is the Y? Because Y is a consonant, and if there is any consonant Y at the end of the word, and before Y, if there is consonant, then this Y will be vanished, and instead of Y we can use I. So here there is no Y, and instead of Y we have used here I. Okay, dear learners, so I here is a suffix. Yes, I went is also a suffix, such as suppress. Sorry, yes, I-O-N. Suppression. Our new word is suppression. Here is the word suppress is a verb, and at the end of the verb we have added I-O-N, and our new word is suppression. Suppression is a noun, and suppress here is a verb, and after the verb we add I-O-N, and our new word is suppression. So I-O-N is a suffix. T-I-O-N, such as dear learners, have a look on the blackboard. Educate is a verb, and at the end of educate we have joined or added TIL, and the new word is education. Education is a noun, and educate is a verb. So TION here is a suffix. And dear learners, in this way there are so many forms of suffix and prefix, suffix. Today I have taught you about suffix, and I hope I will come again, and I will help you to make new words using prefix. So dear learners, today's time is very short. So in the shortest possible time I have taken this class, and I hope you will be benefited watching my video class on suffix and prefix. Okay, dear learners, and if safe at home again, I advise you till the COVID-19 will disappear from us. Okay, dear learners. So I hope I will meet you again. Till then, thank you all.